Hello, I am Emmanuel the emu. Do you know what an emu sounds like? Can you pick from three animal noises? Is it noise A? Is sound B the emu? How about sound C? Is this the emu? Here is the sources of the three sounds. Does this help or just make your head hurt? Did you guess sound C? What about sound A? If you guessed B, you were correct.
Hi tubers. I'm Cheeto the raccoon. Do you know what a raccoon sounds like? Which of these three sounds is me? Is this chatter a raccoon? Maybe that's a raccoon. What do you think? How about this sound? Listen to this one. Here are the sources of the sounds. Did you pick the first one? That wasn't it. How about the second sound? That's adorable, but it's not a raccoon. If you chose the third, you were correct. Hey tubers. Today Tucker and I are here because we think we can trick you with which sound is the puppy. Tuck?
Thanks, Lotus. Do you think this sounds like a puppy?
I'm not sure about that one, Tuck. I think it's this one.
Lotus, that one is horrifying. The puppy is surely this third sound.
Maybe they are pulling a fast one. There is not a puppy at all. Let's look at the pics and see if that helps.
Surely Lotus didn't fool you with that second sound.
Did we trick you with the first one?
If you guessed the puppy was the third sound, you are a star.
Hey fellow tubers, I'm Quandale the capybara. Can you identify my voice from these three sounds? Am I this first one? Okay, maybe that was right. Now try this one. Alright, it's getting tough. Try on this last sound. Think you got it? Take a look at the images and see if that helps. You think you know which sound was the cappy? How about the first sound? That's funny, but he's no capybara. Did you choose the third sound? That is a porcupine. If you pick the second sound, you're a star.
Hi fellow tubers, I'm Twank the hamster. Do you know what a hamster sounds like? Is this a hamster? So adorable. I want one. Now have a listen to this sound. That could be the one. Check out this third sound. That one is great. Let's look at the pics and see what we got here. Did you guess it was that first sound? Did you guess the third one? If you guessed the second sound, you are a prince. Hit that subscribe so I can get more popcorn.
Hey tubers, I'm Koala Carl and I have your Thursday Animal Sound Challenge. Can you pick which of these voices is the cuddly koala bear? Is it this one? That may be a koala on some bad eucalyptus. How about this voice? I think I know that guy. Let's check out the last voice. Alright, let's throw up the pics and see if you got it. What was that first sound? How about that second one? Did you guess that one? If you guessed that third sound is the singing voice of a cuddly koala, you were spot on. Now tap that subscribe and we'll keep filling your hearts with our beautiful melodies.
Hi fellow tubers, I am Crackles and we have to move fast to guess which sound is the turtle. Can you guess which of these sounds is the turtle? Is it this one? That kind of sounds like my dopey buddy Harold. What do you think of this one? Yikes. Alright, check out the last sound. You think you got it? Take a look at the pics. Surely you didn't guess the second one. What was that first sound? If you guessed the third, you're a stud.
Hey Tubers, your old pal Rudolph here with this Thursday's Animal Voice Challenge. Do you know what a reindeer sounds like? Does this sound like a reindeer? Now check out the second sound. Yes, Satan? Imagine that sound in the dark. Here is the third sound. Here are the pics. You didn't guess that second sound, did you? How about the first one? If you picked the third one, you know you're reindeer. Now hit that subscribe and have yourself a great Christmas. Hey Tubers, John Mastodon here with this week's Animal Voice. This week I have a pro level challenge. Can you pick the elephant? Here we go. That sure sounds like an elephant to me. Let's hear the next sound. Alright, now I'm confused. How about you? What is the third sound? Alright, somebody is pulling a fast one. All three sounds were elephants. Let's see those pictures. What was the third sound? That's pretty cool. How about the second one? That is funny. I guessed all three were elephants. Here is the first sound again. Don't forget to hit the subscribe.
Hey fellow tubers, I am Bastet the gecko. Have you ever heard a gecko's voice? See if you can guess which of these sounds is the gecko. Is it this one? Let's check out the next sound. I don't know about that one. Let's hear the last sound. You think you got it? Let's check out the pics. Show us who made that first sound. The third sound was that tasty-looking bug. If you guessed the second sound, you know your gecko. Now poke that subscribe for animal voices every Thursday.
Hey fellow Tibbers, I am Bolin the Beefcake Bunny, and I have an Alice in Borderland themed Animal Voice Thursday for you. Can you pick the bunny's voice? Is this a bunny? That sounds familiar. Take a listen to the next sound. That one's a little sus. Let's hear the third sound. Think you know which sound was the bunny? Here's the pics. What was that first sound? Maybe the bunny is in her tummy. Did you think it was the second sound? If you guessed the third sound, you did great. Bounce that subscribe for more animal voice challenges.
Hey fellow tubers, do you have a pet gerbil? Can you pick the gerbil's voice? Does this sound like a gerbil to you? Yikes, he sounds pissed. What about this next sound? Okay, now how about the last one? I don't think any of those was a gerbil. Give us the pics. Which was that first sound? No way that's a gerbil. All right, what was the second one? That's a big kitty. If you picked the third sound, you got it right. Now hit that subscribe for more animal voice challenges.
Hey there, fellow tubers. Do you have a pet guinea pig? Can you identify guinea pig's voice? Is this first sound a guinea pig? Maybe that's a guinea pig. Listen to the next sound. That one is a normal. Let's hear the third sound. I think that one is a teapot. How about you? Put up those pictures. Let's see what we have. What was the third sound? There was no guinea pig. Show us the first one. If you pick the second sound, you know you're a guinea pig. Now slap that subscribe for more fun.
Hey there, tubers. I'm Tucker the Internet Wonder Pooch. I have your Thursday Animal Voice Challenge. I bet you can't tell which of these sounds is the dove. Check out this first sound. Did that guy just say woof woof? Get a load of this second sound. That kind of sounds like Linda when she's in the bathroom. Now serve up that third sound. You sure that's not an air raid siren? Show us the pictures. Let's see if that helps. Okay, Linda is not up there. Show us what the second sound was. Let's see what the first sound was. That's friggin' funny. If you guessed the third sound, you were right.
Hello, YouTubers. I'm Scylla the Dragon. Do you have a pet bearded dragon? Can you guess which of these sounds is the bearded? What about the second sound? That was a little shady. Let's hear the last sound. Well, I'll pull his tail. Let's see the pictures, maybe that will help. Now show us the third one. That was no beardy. Okay, which sound did the rhino make? Well, the heck, it's as big as a truck. If you guessed that second sound, you were right. Remember to subscribe for more animal voice games.
Hey there, YouTube. Thanks for joining me for this week's animal voice game. Do you know what a horse sounds like? How about this sound? Alright, who farted? Let's try the next sound. Let's give the third one a shot. That was sort of like the last sound. Let's look at the pictures. Which one was the first sound? Now what sound did the stork make? If you guessed the second noise, you got it right. Now chomp on that subscribe for more animal voice challenges.
Hey fellow YouTube dwellers, I'm Sasso the Pretty Kitty. We kitties sure make a lot of different sounds. I bet you don't know which of these sounds is the kitty. Let's try this one first. Sounds like you got bags. Hit us with the next sound. That sounds like some space invaders. Now let's hear the last one. Well, that was pretty obvious that sure sounds like a kitty. Let's see those pictures. Now show us that third sound. I'm sure that was the kitty. That's a dirty bird. Okay, then what was the second sound? I thought for sure that was an X-Wing fighter. If you guessed that first sound, you were right. Thanks for playing. Remember to hit the subscribe.
Hey, fellow YouTube dwellers. I have a tricky animal voice challenge for you. See if you can pick the pig. How about this sound? Alright then, what about the next sound? Now I'm confused. Was that the same as the first sound? Okay, give us the last sound. It sounded like my Honda Civic on a cold morning. Let's see those pictures. Which was that third sound? I doubt that was the pig. Oh my god, he's funny. Now what was the first sound? I thought that was the pig right away. If you guessed that second sound was the pig, you got it right. Remember to root your nose into the subscribe on the way out.